Hi, hello friends, welcome to shortcut.com. Today I am going to tell you how to remove background from your image. Just now created one logo for my brand. For that one I am doing background and I am creating a logo. Before going to topic, make sure you subscribe button, like this video and share this video. Are you still not need to open any Photoshop account? Just open your Photoshop. After open Photoshop, just click on file. Open the image which you want to remove the background. Just select the image and click open. It was open in new tab. After opening new tab, just this selection tool and click here and delete the location background and click once again here. Just delete here. Now your logo was deleted successfully. To check the quality whether it was removed your background, how it was removed, just Ctrl A, Ctrl C, copy over there and paste it here. Now my logo was successfully removed and copied over here. This is the simplest and easiest way to remove your logo. Now I want to export the logo to my local system. Just click file. After clicking file, just click on export. Click on export as. And you don't select any, select you want transparency, just click on transparency. If you want any smaller files, just click on smaller file. And I'm using this file, just click on export. SQ transparent file. My transparent file was exported successfully, and now I'm going to show you. This is the transfer file I exported right now. This is the simplest way to export your file in your Photoshop. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This video will help you to create a remote and background image for your image. This is the simplest way, easiest way to remove background for any of your image. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe and like this video and share this video.